Всем привет! Hi everyone! Меня зовут Анастасия. My name is Anastasia. Добро пожаловать! Welcome to my channel. In these videos we are studying Russian and this series is for complete beginners. In this lesson you are going to learn about the personal pronouns in Russian language. After learning them you can make simple sentences such as he is a doctor, I am a teacher, they are students, and so on. So what's important to know before we learn the pronouns? Russian has genders. We have three genders, masculine, feminine, and neuter. And also all nouns in Russian have a gender. So even if it's an abstract noun like love, wind, responsibility, whatever, even if it's some object, they still have a gender. So everything in Russian is either masculine, feminine, or neuter. Okay? So let's learn the pronouns now. We'll start with я. Я. Я Анастасия. Ты. Ты. So ты is you, but it's only informal you, which you say to your friends. You can ask your friends как ты, which is like how are you? A simple way to say как ты. Let's look at the pronouns of the third person. On, which is masculine, and it can be for a man, it can be for something like telephone, computer. That would be on. Then we have feminine, она. Она. It can be for a woman, for a girl, but also for something, some object like книга, a book, она, or дверь, the door, она, она. You have to repeat after me to learn them. Then we have оно, which is neuter, оно. That's only inanimate, so it's only about some objects like окно, the window, окно, оно. Also море, sea, море, оно. And now we're moving to the plural pronouns. Мы, we say мы, мы студенты, we are students, мы. Then you have вы, and that's you, but it's you plural or you formal. So if you are not a friend with a person, it's polite to use вы. Как вы? How are you? In a more formal way, in a polite way, как вы? Как вы? And then we have они, plural, they. Also они, just like in English, it's like they for things and for people, for everything. They. Они студенты. They are students. So these are the pronouns in the Russian language. Now you can easily make sentences in present tense. You can say я and you can write, for example, your nationality. Or you can say я and you can write your occupation. Я преподаватель. Я преподаватель. I'm a teacher. Он студент. Он студент. Она врач. Она врач. Врач – это доктор. Она врач. So, yes, because in Russian we don't have the verb to be in present tense. If you want, I can make probably a separate video on that topic. We don't have the verb to be, so to make sentences in present tense, you just use the subject like я, and then you say who you are. We don't have this am, is, are, which is very good, right, for you, for beginners. Okay, so I'm waiting for the example sentences in the comments. I will check them and make sure that I'll correct the mistakes. And see you in the next videos. Спасибо за внимание. Пока-пока.